Hey everyone, just wanted to run a quick video to show the proper way to check engine oil. First thing you want to do is start the car. Let it run for about 4 to 5 seconds. Typically, as long as it takes for all the warning lights to turn off on the dash. Go ahead and shut the engine off. Come out under the hood, locate your dipstick. If you're not sure where it's at, use your owner's manual to help you find it. Pull it out, wipe it off, stick it back in. Pull it out the second time, and the level should be in between the marks. Halfway mark, as long as it's in between those hash marks or in between the dots, you're good to go. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, give us a call, 735-8436.